Hey, this is Neil with Now Property Investments. Today, I'm here with Mr. Grant, and he's with Priority Roofing. You want to tell us a little bit about your company?
Yeah, so Grant Miller with Priority Roofing. So one thing that we do specialize in is repairs. A lot of people have troubles doing repairs. A lot of companies don't like dealing with repairs because there's not a lot of profit margin in it. But for us, hey, one, it's about quality, and then two, customer service. So if you don't have quality, you don't have customer service, well, then you can't really build that relationship. So biggest thing is that we're going to be doing here is partnering and looking at like, hey, how can we take care of customers? And one, give them that 5-star customer service. That's what people want. And then two, hey, how can we trust you? So the other thing that we actually have is our own repair division through Priority Roofing. So that to me is key. Hey, we're not subcontracting out. Hey, person does speak English or Spanish, whichever it may be, and that's once again that other thing of customer service. Like, hey, we're going to take care of you. You're going to know what's going on. We document, we take photos, whether it's before and after. So making you feel more involved because hey, we're dealing with your top #1 asset, whether it's a large commercial building or hey, a residential property we got you taken care of.
That works. Hey, thank you, Grant. We appreciate you working with us. And be sure to like and subscribe. Now Property Investments.
Hey, thanks for watching. One last thing. Go ahead and like and subscribe below to help other homeowners just like yourself learn how to navigate through this crazy real estate market.